Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. So I finally have my Senton 6S race truck build complete. I figured I'd throw the old school V1 body on there just for kicks and giggles. I've yet to repair this body. It needs a lot of love. It is broken and well abused because the person had the the cage on the inside taken off because they didn't like it, so it destroyed the body. But anywho, this is the body that I picked up, that I decided to purchase pre-painted. And it's actually my first time fitting it on with the cage. Yeah, I think that'll work. Figure out the body holes. Yeah, body needs to come down. I think I can lower it. But looks good. Anyways, this is going to be a quick test run. I'm going to try to do it one-handed. I should probably turn my light on so you can see a little better. And try to run it a couple laps. Also, with this, I still got to drill holes in it. So, for right now, the power system that I was able to pick up consists of a Senton Pro 4 HD 4300 kV sensored motor, paired up with a Senton RX8 Gen 2 ESC. Excuse me. I have a Softvox 1258 TG servo. I have one of the cheap orange Spectrum ESC receivers in here that I picked up for like 16 bucks. Pair it up with my DX4C. Powering this baby is the Hobby Star 8000 milliamp silicone graphene 150C. Yeah, 150C discharge rate. Still clueless on the fact if that's a continuous rating, like you have with most batteries. When you see a 60 continuous rate with a 120 burst, like, well, that one says 2030. Where's it? Here it is. My Trinity's. Like this one's 60C 120 burst. Or my, come on, 3S, where it says 65C. Oh, there it is. 65C continuous 130 burst. Thunder power. Had that battery for about 5 years. Take good care of your lipos, they will last. Of course, I don't get to use it that much either. I did, however, race it in my Typhoon buggy last weekend when I was trying to learn how to control it and get to know the buggy, and I think it performed really good. I like running it on the 3S more than I do the 4S, because 4S just a little too much power for me right now. I think it's a little squirrely when I hit the throttle. Anyways, let's get to the point. Do a quick test run. That is just weird. I have not got used to that yet. Pretty quick response time, and I hate that winding noise the servo makes. Bing. Alrighty. Let's make the point. Alright, let's see if I can get a decent view. And this thing just does not want to go in reverse. It's programmed to be in reverse, but it seems like when you try to turn the wheel and hit reverse, it just doesn't want to. Come on. I'm going to try to get right there on the edge. See if I can do a burnout. On takeoff. Ready, set, go. Did I get stuck? Damn it. I got stuck in there. There we go. Woohoo! Anyways, that's it. That's all I got time for right now. I think I'm definitely going to enjoy racing this buggy. Or not buggy. Truck. Trying to get to know the characteristics of this truck. I've still got to look up the motor, the power limits for the ESC, not the ESC, the motor. Because I'm wondering if I can run this bad boy on 3S. 4300, I'm not sure. Yeah, that baby's not even close to being warm. Oh, and I need to pick up a fan for that ESC. Other than that, I hope you guys like, subscribe, and share. If you have any tips and tricks that you want to let me know about, please comment below. I will do my best to comment back to your comments as soon as possible. Until then, take care.